Good morning, everyone. I can't see, it's so bright and sunny. Oh, good morning, King Triton. We are getting a late start today. It's closer to like 11 today because we were so exhausted from yesterday. So today it's a little bit of a late start. We're going to Hollywood Studios today. I actually woke up early to try and get a reservation to Rise of the Resistance, and of course I couldn't because they sold out in 5 seconds actually. So anyway, we're gonna try again a little bit later, but we are on our way there. I think we're taking the Skyliner today, which is exciting that our hotel goes directly to the Skyliner so we can take it. But yeah, I will keep you guys posted. I got my mermaid ears fitting since we're staying in the Little Mermaid building. So all right, see ya. My hair looks a little wild. So we just got off the Tower of Terror. That was exciting. I missed the Tower of Terror. I prefer it 1,000 times over Guardians of the Galaxy. So, of course, that was actually our first ride. We waited like over an hour. Like 80 minutes for that ride. I think it was exactly 80 minutes. But yeah, now we're waiting at the Rock and Roller Coaster. This ride's fun too, so yeah, after that we are probably gonna get a snack, maybe get our food, I don't know, because we do have a we got a boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance, so that's exciting. But yeah, that's what's going on. We are taking a break. We got some popcorn. So we're just eating that, hanging out. It's really bright, but don't be fooled, it is not very warm. It just feels good right here because of the sun. But yeah, we're just kind of waiting. We have like
40 minutes till our food.
40 minutes till our food is ready, so I don't know if we'll find a ride that has a short enough wait time. Maybe that one.
Or Frozen.
Or Frozen.
Frozen's not that popular anymore.
But we just went on the Aerosmith Rock and Roller Coaster, did the Tower of Terror, making moves. So that's it. Nothing too exciting as of now. There's a lot of people here, way more than yesterday at the Animal Kingdom, like way more people. We're approaching Toy Story Land. We're gonna get some food. We just got off the Rise of the Resistance. What did you think?
It was amazing. I loved it. It was my first time.
His first time.
It's great.
All activities here for age 4.
What's up, guys? It's been a few hours. My nose is kind of red. My makeup's come off. I look like I have really broad shoulders. We're in our hotel again because we just left Disney's Hollywood Studios. We took the Skyliner back, which I love the Skyliner. The Skyliner's great. I feel like it's so much faster than waiting for like the shuttles. But yeah, we just got back. It's like 6:30-ish, 6:30. Hollywood Studios, I think, closes at 7 today. So we were able to do everything except we didn't get to go on Smuggler's Run because it was closed. It was like open and then it closed, and then we skipped it because there's one in California. So yeah, but we're super happy we got to go on Rise of the Resistance. That was cool. So we actually have dinner reservations at 7:45 in Disney Springs. So we'll probably be leaving in like 30 minutes. We'll head down there. Maybe even like 15 minutes. We're just resting because we're tired, we're cold, and we just want to relax for a little bit. But yeah, that's what's happening. So whenever we get to Wolfgang, I'll be sure to share with you guys what we eat. So I'll talk to you guys then. So we're eating at Wolfgang Puck. We just got our drinks. I got a strawberry basil margarita. He got a red sangria. So yeah, I think I'm gonna order pizza. That just sounds good. Just like all the carbs. All the carbs. But yeah, still freezing. We're at Disney Springs now. Thought we were gonna be late, but we made it. We freaking made it. Good morning, everybody. It is about 10 a.m. and we just woke up a little bit ago. We are going to Epcot today, so that's exciting. Yeah, Epcot doesn't open for like another hour, so we probably won't even get there till like noon. Just because like I know we're gonna be there all day, so we're just like taking our time this morning, relaxing, chillaxing, you know, all that stuff. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna just get ready and then I'll update you guys when we leave. I'm in the middle of getting ready and breakfast just arrived, so we're taking an eating break. We're just eating breakfast sandwiches. They're whatever. They're honestly, McDonald's is way better.
This is like cafeteria food.
It's like cafeteria food, yeah. But I'm not complaining because food is food. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm still getting ready. I have my eyes, my foundation on. I just have to do my hair. Has anyone ever tried the Disney coffee? Like not the Starbucks or anything like that, just like the coffee you can get at like any restaurant. I don't know if it's just me because I drink a lot of coffee, but I think it's disgusting. It like tastes like dirt. It's not very good. I think the brand they use is like Jeffries, right?
Joffrey's.
Jeffries. Like Folgers is better than this. That says a lot. Good afternoon from Epcot. We just walked in. We're trying to decide if we should go right or left. UK or France? What will it be? We're about to go around the world, so let's go to the UK. Why not? So, Epcot is like more of like an adult park because there's a lot more like food and like alcohol here. So I personally wouldn't recommend Epcot for kids, but you know, do with that information what you will. So yeah, this park is ginormous. So we're excited.
Gang, gang.
I wore my Disney mask today. I haven't been wearing it. I just felt like I should. Got my purple ears, so let's do this.
I guess you just get to walk out here.
What's down there? Look at how pretty. I think we just walked through Canada. I think. I've never been to Canada, so I don't know for sure, but I think that's where we just were. So now we're gonna keep walking. Not really sure where we're going, but we're just walking. Hi guys. So we are, let me raise you, okay. So we're in, I think we're in China right now. The music's a little loud, so I'm gonna keep this short so I don't get copyrighted. But I got the fortune cookie drink, and then, what did you get?
I got the Kung Fu Punch.
Mine tastes like coconut, it's so good. And it also came with the fortune cookie. We were just in Norway, and we had some dessert there, so we're gonna keep the trek around the world going.
Including when taking photographs. The exception would be when eating or drinking
Sugar
while
for breakfast.
Yes,
No, we didn't. We had an egg sandwich.
will be asked to leave.
Look at this lovely view of the little lake. How would you rate your drink?
Solid 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
It's really good.
Mine's like a 9.5 out of 10. I think that if this were blended, it would be way better.
Yeah.
Instead of on the rocks, like a pina colada.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Anyway, we are at stop number 2. Not sure what country we're in, but we are in Germany, and we got a Play on Rosé flight. This is what it looks like. So we have Three Daughters Brewing Rosé Hard Cider. We have the 81 Bay Brewing Rosé Blonde Ale, and then Frozen Rosé, which is, it's actually my favorite. I love Rosé. So, and then we also got this like short rib. Looks very delicious, except I think those are tomatoes. We're not gonna eat that, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try the Three Daughters Brewing Rosé Hard Cider first, which is this one. It kind of tastes a little bit like a Jolly Rancher. Let's try the 81 Bay Brewing Rosé Blonde Ale. So I think this is like a beer. It's good, but I don't know. And of course, rosé. This one's the winner, obviously. Very refreshing. Oh my god, this is so good.
Yeah. Those Frosé, Three Daughters, and whatever the heck the other one is. What is it? Ooh, you almost got it on your shirt.
Delicious.
And it comes apart easily.
It's like the best thing.
Can't really see him.
It's kind of dark. Oh, here comes another one.
Oh, it connects, both of them.
Oh, it goes all the way around. That's so cute.
They have little passengers too.
We're in Italy now. There is a mini Trevi fountain behind me. Does anyone else just get reminded of like Lizzie McGuire when you see it? Because I do. Or Italy's the background. So pretty. Very scenic, very beautiful. Alright guys, it's getting kind of dark, but we just got a sake shaved ice. We're in Japan now. And
we got a Kidding Light.
A beer. And
a shot of sake.
Some sake, just plain.
You're not gonna like it.
We didn't get any food this time because I think all they have is sushi. I don't really want sushi. Ooh, if they have ramen here.
Yeah, I got it for the sake bomb.
He's making himself a sake bomb.
Yeah, but it's like too much, so.
But I got the coconut flavor thing, so let's try. Very good.
Oh, I love it. I miss it. I've been to Japan, so
He's been to the real Japan.
I like miss this like beer. I mean, I could get it at my local market, but
We just
out here. We're in Japan land.
We just stopped at Italy, but we didn't buy anything there. They mostly had like sit-down restaurants. We're just here for the tastings. Hello, it is like 10:30 now. We're back in our room, and yeah, we're about to get ready to go to bed. But we basically, after we were in Japan, I think that's the last time I updated you guys, we kind of just walked around Morocco and France, and then we were done with Epcot. So we ended up leaving, took the Skyliner to the Riviera Resort, and then from there took the shuttle to Disney Springs, where we had dinner at Blaze Pizza. Blaze Pizza actually messed up my order 2 times, but they were nice enough to give me a little voucher to come back for a free pizza. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we came back. So now we're back, and tomorrow is another long day. We have the Magic Kingdom, which is the last park in our adventure through Disney World. So yeah, I'll be sure to keep you guys updated like I have been. So that's it, you guys. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching our Epcot adventures today. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow for Magic Kingdom. Bye!